What's up guys, it's Matt Collins-Jones here, also known as the D365 Geek, and today we're talking about Power Automate and we're talking about Microsoft To Do, and we're going to look at a new action just released for Power Automate and the Microsoft To Do connector, which is List All To-Dos. Now this has been a much sought after request. Previously we only had the ability to list all the lists or all the folders that we had, and now we actually have the ability to list all of your to-do items. So that's super helpful and super useful, and that's what I'm going to take a look at today. So I'm in my flow here. I have a trigger, which is when we create a new to-do item. We're going to use that to trigger our flow. Next, we're going to click on New Step, and then in the search bar, type to-do. And there it is. Choose the connector, and we're going to scroll down until we get to List All To-Dos. Preview. So this is a preview feature just like the other actions and the other triggers that we've covered so far, but what this does allow us to do is test these things out. There may be some changes that Microsoft will implement, there may be some bugs that we can feed back to Microsoft, so good idea to test these out and chat to Microsoft if you do have any problems. Now at this point it doesn't actually ask us for any more information. We don't need to specify any folders, we don't need to specify any lists. The only thing we can specify, which is optional, is the number to retrieve back. So it says the total number of entries to retrieve back, the default is 10, so that'll be fine, and the maximum is 999, so you can't return 1,000 rows. And that's basically it. So let's test this out. So I'll click on test. I'll perform the trigger action, save and test. And it's running. I'll flick over to Microsoft To Do and we'll say this is a new task for PA videos today, and add that in. Now if we look through my folders, we can see that I've got 2 tasks in this folder, 1 task in this folder, 3 tasks here altogether, and then 1 task here as well. So what this is going to do is going to loop through all of them and pull back them all. We go back to Power Automate and we can see the flow run successfully. I am having a couple of issues today as I'm recording these videos of just getting this screen to kind of render. So I'm just editing out of this and just going back to the run screen because it'll be there, so we can see it's succeeded. This is run, that's great. So we can scroll down and we can see this. So we've got the results in the body. So we've got the JSON body, and we can kind of flick through this and see what we've got. So we can scroll down and we can see trade on time. The owner is me. This is a new task for This is a new task for PA videos today. So that is literally the one that we've just done. So it's going in that order from newest to oldest. And then we've got another one here. Which is test task item, which again was in, I think it was in that same folder that was in test task item. It's another one we've created today. And yeah, it just lists them all. So by listing them all, you can then pull them out. You can do whatever you want with them. You can find a specific one. You can look through them. You can loop through them. You can do all sorts to them. But the ability to actually get this data out is really handy for, in Power Automate, because it's not something we've previously had the ability to do. So something that I think is a really powerful tool for Power Automate now and Microsoft To Do. You know, I'm already in love with Power Automate and Microsoft To Do. They're both great products, but these actions and these triggers just make everything so much better. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are you using this action already? Do you have plans to use it in the future? What for? Let me know in the comments down below. If you did like this video, if you could like and share it with your friends, it'd be much appreciated to get this video out to other people and to new audiences. If you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.